Okay, this is maylore, and first thing I would say is that you just attach the Maya file, but if you look at the submissions directions, what I'm looking for is an archive scene. So if you choose File, Archive Scene, it puts a zip file in your scenes directory, and that way I have the images that came with it and everything I need. So in Maya, that's you go File, Archive Scene, and that will put a zip file in the scenes directory of the project folder you're working within. And let's see. Yeah, it looks like you're not setting your project because it shouldn't put the full path here. It should just put source images and then the name. So make sure you're setting your project file, set project, and then choose your project folder there. The next thing is regarding the version of Maya. You can get the current version of Maya by going to autodesk.com/education/free-software/Maya and either sign in or create an account if you need to, and you get a free version of free Maya 2019. Yeah, but then on to the actual model. Now, I don't know if sometimes this comes in messed up because you are using an old version of Maya, so I don't know if this is exactly what it looks like in yours, but it is a bit of a mess here. So much so that I frankly, most of this I would just start over. It's hardly worth untangling this. And really just follow the video, the process there, because this is all, you know, there's all these weird pieces and all these disconnected things and strange edges here, and I can't really make much of this. The shoes are slightly more useful, but even that, it's like there's all this overlapping edges, and it's just yeah, it's kind of a mess. I don't know, I just, it would be way easier to just remodel it than it would be to try and untangle all these weird overlapping edges, and the shapes don't really look like that much anyway. Uh, it's just this. Yeah, I mean, there's so much crazy overlapping, and I just don't know. And then this is missing so many edges, and look how intersected all these faces and edges are. Uh, I don't know. It could, maybe this is because you're using a different version of Maya, so I'm not actually seeing what you're doing. But what I would say, if that's the case, then I would say before you turn it in, just do edit, delete all by type, history. But really, we should be using Maya 2019 so that we don't have as many problems. So between deleting all your history, using Maya 2019, I would suggest, if this is not what it looks like in your Maya, that you should um, delete all by type history and resubmit, and also start using Maya 2019. If this is what it looks like in your file, you just need to start over, because this is not salvageable. It's not useful to move forward with this. It'd be so much easier to just start over. With what I show in the modules, like starting with cylinders and that whole process. Okay.